Welcome children in bio class. Children, today I am going to explain you integrated organic farming. Integrated organic farming is a method of farming system which primarily aims at cultivating the land and raising crops in such a way so as to keep the soil alive in good health. It means when we are doing the farming, we are raising the crops, we have to see the health of the soil should not be deteriorated. Health of the soil have to maintain. Health of the soil, how we can maintain if all the nutrients which are essential for the growth and development for the plant are present, and microorganisms which are called soil engineer, they are present in the soil for decomposition of dead body of organisms. The Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare developed integrated organic farming system for the benefit of farmers. So this integrated organic farming system was developed by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. So aim of this is to give benefit to the farmers, to increase the income of the farmers, and have to maintain the good health of the soil. Integrated organic farming is a cyclical zero waste procedure. It means in the integrated organic farming there is no waste. Here waste products from one process are cycled in as nutrients for other process. It means if there is some waste materials are produced, that waste materials are used for the other process, and that waste materials become raw materials for the other process, and that must be useful for the other process. For example, you see farmers are growing the crops. So in the crops, what is the waste of the crops or what are the remains of the crops that have to use for making compost, vermiform compost, and that compost can be used for maintaining the good health of the soil. And if we are using chemical fertilizer, that chemical fertilizer will destroy the fertility of the soil, change the nature of the soil. But when compost, which is prepared from the waste of the crops, remains of the crops, that can be used for increasing the fertility and productivity of the soil. Children, you have to know there is one person who started this integrated organic farming. Ramesh Chandra Degar, a farmer from Sonipat, Haryana, did a great job for integrated organic farming. He is a simple farmer who has studied up to 10th standard, but he earned rupees 10 lakh per annum by integrated organic farming on 1 hectare land. Only for the integrated farming, he used 1 hectare land and after integrated organic farming, from that 1 hectare land he earned 10 lakh rupees per annum. He did beekeeping, dairy management, water harvesting, composting, and agricultural simultaneously, which so beekeeping, dairy management, water harvesting, composting, and agriculture, all these he did simultaneously and support each other and allow an extremely economical and sustainable venture. He did not use chemical fertilizer, he did not use chemical pesticides. He used cow dung as a manure. He used crop waste to create compost. He used cow dung and crop waste to generate biogas to fulfill the energy need of the farm. Today he is busy in spreading the message of integrated organic farming in his home state Haryana. With the support of other farmers, he has set up the Haryana Kisan Welfare Club. Nearly 5,000 farmers are active members of this club. They are spreading the message of integrated organic farming in their own state and other states of the country.